Merry Christmas!
Look at that, a car underwater. I'm Kate. This is Curtis and Roxy the dog. This is our roaming home, Sweet Ruka. 1 year ago, we quit our jobs, bought a boat, and plan on sailing around the world without going through the canal. You heard me right. Cape Horn and the Cape of Good Hope. Click subscribe and come along for the ride. We finally made it to the Bahamas after months and months of sailing. We sailed and sailed and sailed thousands of miles in all types of conditions, mostly offshore, up and down the East Coast, as far north as Maine, and then taking off from Annapolis to make it down to the turquoise waters of the Bahamas. We love all the sailing, clearly, but it was time to stretch our legs and explore the beautiful island of Eleuthera, Bahamas. We were all checked in at Spanish Wells before moving the boat to Meeks Island for one night, and then taking off for the short travel through the narrow current cut towards Golden Key to really, truly enjoy the sunshine and warmth this latitude had to offer. The current cut gets its name from the strong current that can sometimes reach up to 10 knots. Timing is everything, and it is best to leave 2 hours after high tide in Nassau to make sure you make it through the narrow passage unscathed. We threw out the fishing line, but unfortunately the only thing we could catch that day was sargasso weed, so we threw it back. Try again another day.
Ready to go to shore, babe?
Ready to go to shore. Beautiful white sandy beaches on this Christmas day. We're gonna go explore Eleuthera, go see her countryside a little bit. That's what we're up to today.
Stay. Stay. Good. Stay. Good. Nope.
We were on our way to the Queen's Bath, which are natural pools that were carved from hundreds of years of water, shells, and other sea life smashing into the rocky hillside from the Atlantic Ocean. So we set off on foot with Roxy the dog to see nature at its finest. I don't know if we can really walk across. Or is this a spot right here? I don't think crossing is the way to go. Oh, I guess.
We're headed to the Queen's Bath, some kind of pool.
Let's get it done, take my hand, just follow me. The shadow and me are one. Oh, the sky is
Atlantic Ocean! Here we are on the other side of our anchorage. Alright, let's go check it out.
What do you think?
The shallow pools get heated by the sun, creating a sometimes hot tub-like experience. It is recommended to go at low or medium tide, as the area can be quite dangerous otherwise. High tide and poor weather could mean being swept out to sea.
My voice is just a call away.
Jump in!
You don't have to be afraid.
There you go.
You don't have to be afraid.
figure out what's that.
You safe all night and day. I'll be where you wanna be. Yes, I'll be where you wanna be.
So back here in the Queen's pools, we also have some caves. We're gonna go check it out.
Just like from where it all
Got a little water dripping right here.
Whoa. Whoa.
everything to me.
Oh, there's a pool right there.
Right there, you go in that one.
Whoa. Dude, this whole thing must fill up with water. Haha. This would be a scary place to be in a storm.
To be just completely amazing. You're the reason why. Ooh, when you're still down when the sun's up, you really had enough.
So Roxy has this ability to find a ball wherever she goes. She likes coconuts now too.
Bring it here. Good. Okay, drop it, drop it.
I'll be your rock, I'll be your man. Just like from where it all began. You're more than everything. You're more than everything to me. Make me a promise. Tell me you love me. And that you'll never shut me
Good job.
out.
That was awesome. What is that?
Tell me what I'm about. Call me your lover. Call me whatever. Long as I'm alive, I'll try to be just completely amazing.
Go.
You're the reason why. To be just completely amazing.
That was awesome. Go in your hole, Kate. Kate's personal little apple.
Make me a promise, that you never shut me out. To me, you're a god.
Merry Christmas from the Queen's Pool!
Next, we headed towards the Cow and the Bull boulders, of which scientists believe were part of the Atlantic Ocean floor, flung on top of the 60-foot cliff hundreds of thousands of years ago by possible superstorm tsunamis. The boulders are about 20 feet tall, with Cow weighing 1,000 tons and Bull weighing 2,000 tons. The ocean is a powerful beast. Also in this adventure, we head toward the Blowhole, which is known as a marine geyser and forms a sort of sea cave. The hydraulic compression of the seawater causes high winds to shoot up through the hole, creating a sort of wind tunnel. It was quite the scavenger hunt, as we relied on our ears to find it. Hey, look, our boat's back there. Pretty cool.
What's in there? The blowhole?
That was the blowhole here in the glass window, and the spray comes all the way up from way down there.
Woo!
That was a good one. Salty. I'm a little bit on the wet side. Stand there and let it blow you in the face.
It's hot. That's the blowhole by the glass window bridge. think we're good. Ooh, make it shallower? Oh, look at that big piece of concrete. Whoa.
The glass window bridge is the narrowest point of the island of Eleuthera and offers views of both the Bahamas banks and the Atlantic Ocean. Some say the bridge is deathly during bad weather as the Atlantic surge can wipe vehicles right off the bridge.
That's the big one.
Woo! Oh God!
Hold on. Whoa, look at that. Was that scary?
No.
No?
Excited.
Wanna go again?
Yeah, I want to go again. Watch those rock. You're good. You're good on it. I'm pretty sure. Get shallower. Look at that. A car underwater.
Like
a truck. Paint's so good. I think it came from that their bridge.
We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world.
Ooh, that's rain.
I was one rich little girl.
Oh my God, actually, yeah, you're right.
Take me back, all the way back to them days.
We finished off this Christmas day of 2019, not with loved ones nearby, but with the warm sun and blue seas, and excitement for what the future might hold.
No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates.
There you go.
One big smile
Hey, Daddy.
across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. They dream of love, kitten and maid. Take me back, all the way back to them days. Running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Curtis, Roxy, and I would like to say a special thank you to those that have already subscribed. You encourage us to keep recording our journey and to keep improving. Also, many thanks to our patrons on Patreon. We hope to see you next week when we head deeper into Eleuthera.